Hello guys, welcome to Dollars or New. Today we're going to talk about some winning products, ideas that you can list in your store for upcoming Christmas. So before I present these products that I have selected more than around 12 products, and I hope this will give you brainstorm for you guys to find the winning products for Christmas. And what I have to tell you before the products, showing these products, Christmas itself is kind of a niche, okay, and there will be a small sub-niches as well, but the Christmas is not something that evergreen niche that you can promote the same Christmas product every day, because it will end when the Christmas is finished. But it has a huge potential. You can start selling many products because of the Christmas trend. Okay guys, this is the thing I have to tell you about the Christmas, and the mainly I have identified as a Christmas like this. So there will be a decoratives and the Christmas gift as well. So this is the two parts I have identified mainly when it comes to Christmas. Again, I'm going to tell you that Christmas gift and Christmas decoratives. So both the categories has a lot of products that you can promote, because when it comes to the gift, you have to personalize that product. Like now, as example, if you have someone love doing the fishing, all right, so you can promote the product you can find the product related to maybe Christmas and the fishing both, and you can promote it as a Christmas product, as a Christmas gift. That's how it works. So there are many ways you can utilize this Christmas trend, and let's see what are the products that we can get ideas from my video. So before that, I love to ask you just like the video, and this research took time. I really appreciate if you can like this video, and if you are subscribed to this channel, it will help me to grow my channel as well. Right guys, let me go to the first product which I selected. Alright, this is phone cover. It's for iPhone and Samsung as well. So it's all about this Christmas. You can see the images and all. It's just made for Christmas. This is, you can easily target the people who using the iPhone or Samsung. You can do this targeting easily. Try. Don't do the just to phone. Just go as per the brand and as per the model app. So just do the split testing, and you will find which is work for you. At the moment, this product has 4,900 more than 4,000 orders and 235 reviews. So this is the product, guys. You can just easily try and see if it's work for you. Right. Let me show you some reviews as well. This is the actual image. Look nice. Yeah, it's look nice. You can test the product and see how it works for you guys. Right, this is the first product, and let me go to the second one. Okay, this is this product you can use as the Christmas gift for someone who loves this car accessories and try to upgrade the car. And especially this is something for boys, for men, and this product is look cool because oh sorry, it's like a movie part, and this is the product actually. You will see that when you fix this lightning and like a tube, and you can change the color from the mobile phone. So it's product that look cool, and but to promote this kind of product you need to have good video, and you will see how people engage with this one. This is something that you can modify the car from outside, and for me it's look cool. And if you find a real crowd that who love this kind of modifications, definitely they will buy. But you need, now next question is, how do you going to promote this? How do you find the audience? For me, I love to target these car brands, so it's and as a the promotional method, and I try to promote for the like Toyota or Nissan or any other brand. So this will then I can find some correct audience for this one. Let me find some reviews here. These are the reviews, and alright, this is how someone fixed this into his vehicle. It's look cool. So if you are looking for a Christmas gift or something, then you can promote this one for the car owners. Right, this is the second one, and let me go to the next product. Well, again, it's a car accessory from the same AliExpress seller, and this one is something different. It's a product that you can fix it inside the car, and let me show you this. These tubes will fix inside the car, and you can change the color from the mobile phone. You will see he's changing the colors according to this mobile phone app. So, and it will fix inside the car like this, in the driving seat and the back seat as well, I think. So this is a product you can promote. You can promote as a Christmas gift. So you can still target the car brands and all. So you might find a winner. You might find a winning audience. So let me show you some actual images. Yeah, this is the actual images. See, it's really nice. For me, it's a really nice idea. So I hope it will give you some idea about the Christmas gift as well. Okay, let me move to the next product which I found, product idea. Alright, this one is the product idea that I found, again related to the vehicles. This one is a car window cover sunshade, and this is one. So this product already sold 17,442 orders, and I just select this idea just to give you brainstorm. But this product maybe it's not going to work in the in this winter if you're promoting the Europe and USA or Canada, because there won't be any there will be snow only, but you don't want this one in the winter. But the product is really solving a problem here, because as I live in Dubai, we have this mostly the summer here, and we have big problems with these sunny days that we need to cover these windows, and you can't tint it because because there's a rules and regulations that you can tint only slightly according to the rule. So this product is something that solves the problem here. Let me show you this product how it works. You just need to put this cover like this, and you can close the window. Look at that, it's really nice and it's problem solving product. Again, I'm telling you this is just to give you an idea about the product, how do you this product is really problem solving product that you can easily cover the heat, sunrise from the outside. Okay, so this is just the idea. Do not promote this product in the in the winter. You might keep in mind and just to get keep in mind, and maybe you can promote this one in the summer. All right, and this has a huge product, has a good reviews as well. Check this. This is the real images, someone using it. Alright, product look good and the reviews also good, and there's a lot of positive reviews, guys, so it's something you can keep in mind. Next one is this product. This product doesn't have huge orders. It's only 26 orders and 6 reviews, but this product's solving most of the women's day-to-day problem. This is a microfiber magic bristle foam, and it will help to dry the hair after they are bath to wash their head, because it's helped to dry the hair faster, because when it comes to the winter or the cold weather, it's very difficult for women to dry their hair if they have long hair. So this product look like I cannot say it's really work perfectly or not, but it's something that problem solving product, okay, as per me. So you guys try to get more idea about this product, and you can easily promote this product as a Christmas gift, and because it solves someone's problem. All right, let me go to the next product, guys. Right, sorry. Now I've found decoration lights, and this product is one of my product that which I selected for you guys. Look at this. This product is very attractive, and you can easily promote as a Christmas decorative item. At the moment it has only 54 orders, but I have seen this product for years now. Still it's selling when it comes to Christmas, because it's look cool, and it has some of the product has that color changing effect as well, so it's something that you can promote as well as a decorative item. All right, next one is another Christmas item. This is a wine bottle cover for Christmas. Okay, now here is the thing, wine bottle cover, maybe people not only buying one for Christmas, so they might buy more products if you offer them, right? In this case, if you see this product, there's lots of styles here, many styles. All right, so just what you need to do is make a package, like if you buy two you will get one free, and increase the price like you can sell 2 pieces for $19.99 and give 1 item free. Still you are going to make money, good money here if you find good audience, because your offer is really worth. Buy 2 get 1 free. So this is, if you find like this product, it's a very cool way that you can promote this product, because the price is price is less, and you can make the great offers because of the less price, right? This is one of my product that I have chosen for you for Christmas. It's a wine bottle cover, and let me show you the next one. And all right, this is my last product, guys. This is also Christmas decorative item. So this is a Christmas LED night lamp, and it's come with a 3D effect here. You will see when it comes to the closer look, it's look nice. It's like it's made up, look like made out of glass, but it's plastic, I believe, and you can play with the remote control as well. It's look nice, and this is, I just give you an idea, guys, because there are many products like this decorative item 3D stuff. So don't just stuck on this one, because the price, according to me, the price is very high, $18.99. It's not the price you should look for. You should look for a below price, at least around below $5 or something, and you will find it, because if the product starts selling, you will find the better prices from the AliExpress sellers. So this is just the idea, guys. Do not try to sell exact this product for the $18.99. It's not worth. So go for the below price, look for it, just search. I just give you an idea for one of the for the Christmas light. Okay, guys, for today, this is those are my Christmas product ideas, and some of them you might see they are not related to Christmas, but as I told you, you can utilize these other product ideas also in this Christmas trend. So if you need more Christmas ideas, just comment here what so I'll try to find more product ideas for you guys. And if you like to get more updates about the winning product, you can just join my Facebook group. I'll try to upload daily products into the Facebook group, so you can utilize them. And thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I hope you will like this video, and just click the like, and it will help me to grow my channel. Thank you very much, guys. Have a happy selling.